Pathetic NEET. Good day, my dear students. Welcome to your preparations. I would like you people to identify the lesion in the liver. I'm giving you straight away. This is the liver. I'm able to see some ducts and there are some large fishes. Good. And you explain the development. Liver is usually some kind of a beefy red in color and it is uniform. All of you would have seen it. But in this case, I'm finding something else. So what is your diagnosis? I would like you people to compare these two and explain. Leave alone the liver, I'm explaining this. This is some substance, maybe a nut or something, and I find that there are some alternate dark and light lines or regions. And actually shavings from these can be used along with a beetle net. So you find that there is a similar picture. Diagnosis. So this is the liver over here. You people should remember that there is a central vein radiating cords of hepatocytes and the portal triad. So from the central vein, there will be the veins that are leading to it, and it will be going into the inferior vena cava. The portal triad is over here. Now what happens? There can be certain things. Cardiac failure, for example. So there is a back pressure and this can lead to a failure over here. There can be a damming of blood. So in this case, it is a backward failure. Venous engorgement is there, hepatic congestion is present, and there is also a forward failure, this is secondary. Whatever be it, you find that there can be a hypoxia in the central regions. And the liver ultimately undergoes a damage. And look at this one. This is a classical nutmeg liver. This is the appearance that I am seeing. And histologically, this is the zone of the central vein around which there is a hypoxia, and then there can be some amount of necrosis and darkening. And at the same time, I find in the periphery, this is also getting affected by means of the hypoxia, but it undergoes more of a fatty change. Therefore, I am finding alternate dark and light areas. Alternate dark and light areas produce this nutmeg liver, and the diagnosis is chronic venous congestion. Thank you.